In this video clip, we will talk about exponential functions. Y equals a to the x. Previously, we have talked about power functions. There we know alpha is a constant. X is an independent variable. And here the variable is an exponent. And the constant is the base a here. They are opposite. For example, in this case, a may be equal to 2. Then the function will be a to the x, which then comes to be y equals 2 to the x. In this lecture, we'll graph the picture y equals 2 to the x. Then you know the next animation of the graph readers may try is y equals 1/2 to the x. Okay, now here, let's see how we are going to graph this picture. Y equals 2 to the x. And here comes the animation. Let's look at this graph frame by frame. You see, when x equals -3 here, x equals -3 here, then we get is y equals 2 to the -3, which is 1/2 cubed, which is 1/8. So this point is -3 1/8 is a positive number. 1/8 is a positive number. So the point is above x-axis. So when we choose -x, y is always positive. You see, so is the second point. Right down here, you see the second frame. 1x equals -2. We then have a y is 2 to the -2. To eliminate the negative exponent, we then have a 1/2 squared, which is 1/4. Okay? So then when x equals another negative number, -2, we have a y again is 1/4. So that's the point right here. We can do x equals -1. Y will be 1/2. -1 1/2. That's between 0 and 1. The third point. The fourth point is 0, 1. Any number to the 0 is 1. So this point is the y-intercept. Okay, keep going. X equals 1, 2 to the 1 is 2. So 1, 2 is this point. X equals 2. 2 squared is 4, so 2, 4 is this point. Equals 3. So 2 cubed is 8, this point. And then we have a smooth curve to connect all the points. We got the graph. Okay, so that's basically how we got the graph for y equals 2 to the x. Let's also look at the following picture. Right down here. You see, this picture is for y equals 1/2 x. So we can look at this picture frame by frame. X equals -3. 1/2 to the -3 is basically 2 cubed. Okay, you eliminate this negative sign, -3, this negative sign, by flipping the 1/2. That will be 2/1, which is 2. Okay, so similarly, you do for 1/2 to the -2. Okay, so you flip 1/2, 1 and 2, you have a 2 squared is 4. -2, 4 is the point here. -2, 4. And then you do the third one. You flip 1/2, you'll get 2/1, and then 2 to the 1 is 2. So you have x is -1, y is 2. Any number to the 0, x is 0, any number to the 0 is 1. So this 0, 1 is always on the exponential function graph. And then down here, x equals 1, 1/2 to the y is 1/2. So this point. Okay. And then you do the x equals 2, 1/2 squared is 1/4. 1/2 times 1/2. You do the x equals 1. X equals 3. So 1/2 cubed is 1/8. 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/8. Okay. If you look at those two graphs, one is 1/2 to the x, another is the graph for y equals 2 to the x. Those two graphs are symmetric with respect to y-axis. Okay, so that's the feature for those two exponential functions. Okay, now, very important fact is what? Y equals a to the x is an exponential function. And down here, we must need to remember that here, y equals a to the x, this number is a constant, like here. And the exponent is the variable. All right? Okay, please review this video clip. I'll see you next time.